I'm totally editing this in at the end. Took it apart. This is literally what it looks like. Middle broke, just like how I originally did for Fenrir. And the wings, and even the part of the chrome wheel, man. That's how solid the hits were. But it still stayed together and put on an absolutely insane performance. Proving that it belongs, man. Even Karua is a blader, man. Like, that's massive respect for me because it still stayed together even after all this damage with it. That was insane, man. Yeah. I want to see what I could do to repair it because, I mean, that's what happened with Fenrir, and look how Fenrir's performing. So, we're going to see what we got, man. But, yeah, the story still continues.